Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today we're bringing you an indoor range test of the Skydroid G11. This test mainly evaluates the signal performance of the G11 remote controller and receiver in an indoor environment with multiple walls between them. We'll also simulate different situations such as holding the antennas by hand to see how they affect signal strength. First, let's take a look at the test environment. This test was conducted indoors with 3-4 walls between the remote controller and receiver. With no obstruction around the antennas, we can see that the signal strength between the remote controller and receiver remains at around 70%. Next, let's simulate the situation where we hold the remote controller antenna by hand. When we tightly grip the antenna on the right side of the remote controller, we can see that the signal strength remains at around 60%. Although there is some decrease, the connection remains stable. Next, we simultaneously hold the antenna on the left side of the receiver and the antenna on the left side of the remote controller. As you can see, the signal strength also remains at around 60%. Finally, we tightly grip only the antenna on the right side of the receiver. As you can see, the signal strength still remains at around 60%. Based on these tests, we can see that in an indoor environment with 3-4 walls between the remote controller and receiver, the G11 can still maintain a stable wireless connection even when the antennas on the remote controller or receiver are partially obstructed. Of course, actual signal strength can also be affected by various factors, including wall structure, distance, electromagnetic interference, and antenna installation. The test results only represent the performance observed in this particular indoor environment. That's all for today's Skydroid G11 indoor range test. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about Skydroid product tests, tutorials, and user experiences, don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.